Hey guys, we got a new piece of equipment for you to check out today. The ROXANT Video Camera Stabilizer. It's Midnight Black Special Edition. We got some instructions right here. This is the grip right here. Has a ball head on it. This is has a 1/4 inch stud right there. It's pretty nice. This is the other half with the weights. It's got the little weight right here. It's got the not so little weight right here. It's got the big weight right here. There's the other half. You put the camera on the top part right there. That's where the camera goes. This is the wonderful screw that keeps it all together. It's like a screw. The screw, like, damn it, I fucked up the last part. Just chop out. We got the GoPro attachment. And here we got the mobile phone attachment. Now to set up this beast of a stabilizer for 40 bucks off Amazon. Look how quick and easy it is. I have to screw the handle in right here. Make sure it's on right. Connect the stabilizer right here. And the weight arm. Now to put my beast of a camera on it. Look at that beast. Make sure everything's tight. Make sure everything's in pride. And now it's time to stabilize. We stabilizing. Okay, now let's try it out. So let's try it out. We're going to do a walking, jogging, and a running test. Here's the walking test.
Alright, ready?
A little swaying back and forth. Here's a jogging test.
Let me just say one thing.
Here's the running test. Running up some stairways. Running down, not too bad. Jumping up and down. I mean, this thing's not bad. I mean, my iPad doesn't have no stabilizing whatsoever. You get a little bit of swing, but not too bad. I must say, I'm quite impressed. Quite impressed. I have an iPad Pro in the mall filming. But overall, yeah, this is a good product. I really recommend this. Alright guys, that's it for this video. So if you guys like this video, you know what to do. We'll see you guys on the next one.